दो और से यहाँ पे चीजें देखो, ठीक है। देखो बेटा, ये आपके पास स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एटम। स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एटम में आपके पास क्या है, न्यूक्लियस है। न्यूक्लियस के अंदर प्रोटॉन है, न्यूट्रॉन है। प्रोटॉन आपके पास है, और न्यूट्रॉन क्या है, सॉरी, प्रोटॉन इज पॉजिटिवली चार्ज पार्टिकल, न्यूट्रॉन इज न्यूट्रल, इलेक्ट्रॉन इज नेगेटिवली चार्ज पार्टिकल, ठीक है। हाँ, ठीक है। इलेक्ट्रॉन इज इन द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक शेल, ओके। प्रोटॉन एंड न्यूट्रॉन्स आर देयर विद इन द न्यूक्लियस, you got it, within the nucleus, yeah, you got it। बेटे न्यूक्लियस के इर्द गिर्द शेल होता है, उस शेल के अंदर इलेक्ट्रॉन होते हैं, ठीक है। अच्छा, अब देखो, आपके पास प्रोटॉन कितना है, 1, इसका चार्ज कितना है, +1, ठीक है। न्यूट्रॉन मास इज 1 and its charge is 0 because it is very good। Electron is 1 divided by, that means which one is the lightest of all, it is the electron, ठीक है। और चार्ज क्या है इलेक्ट्रॉन का, it is -1, ठीक है। Now look over here, this is how, yeah, which is why they're able to rotate, revolve around it, okay। Now, not rotate, sorry, revolve around it, okay। Now look over here, this is the periodic table, and this is how it would be written in the periodic table. Like, around any element there would be one small number and one big number. The one smaller number would be the atomic number, and atomic number would be the number of protons, okay। The bigger number would be atomic mass or nucleon number, okay। Nucleon, no, not neutron, ठीक है। okay। Yeah, okay। अच्छा, अब देखो इधर, the nucleon number is comprised of number of proton plus number of neutron, okay। So you'll do each one of them, okay? In the electronic configuration, we know that in the first shell, how many electron come? 2. And rest of the shell? 8. Okay. Achha. Magnesium, it would be written as Mg, 12 and 24. Arsad, 12 number you'll pick. Very good. Why not 24? Mass number, nuclear number. Very good. What is electronic configuration of magnesium? 2, 8, 2. Okay. Beryllium. Beryllium is 4 and 9. Chalo, batao. 4. Just keep it here in front of you so that if you need it. Okay. So it is 2 and 2. Okay. For carbon it is 6. Because it's 6 and 12, so we'll pick up 6. Okay. So what would be? 2, 4. Okay, 2, 4. All right. Chalo. We have duplicate and octet rule. Duplicate rule says that first shell has a maximum of 2 electrons. And octet rule says, you won't be tested for this terminology at all. Okay. There are 8 electrons in the rest of the shell, and the first shell we have only 2. Okay. Over here we have the group numbers, okay, and group numbers tells us what? They tells us number of valence electrons. In the periodic table, okay. No, group number tells us number of valence electrons. Very good. Valence electron is the, because once in the paper this was asked that what does the word valence electron mean? Okay, electron in the outermost shell. Very good. But what would be, how many valence electrons are there in group 7? Very excellent. Okay. So look over here. Group 1 has only 1 valence electron. 2 has 2 valence electrons. 3 has 3 valence electrons. 4 has 4. 5 has 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 to 4 would always lose electron. Very good. It will be plus. Achha, group 4 has, it is not specific. Look, this is not specific that only these are metals, because you have to draw the staircase. on the periodic table that you will get. So these would be the non-metals and these would be the metals. Okay. Yeah. No. You have to make a line over here, staircase over here. So all of these would be the non-metals and all of these would be the metals. Okay. There was once this question in the CIE that asked you. There was once a question in the CIE and they asked you to draw dot and cross model of. Non-metal with non-metal. Non-metal. Okay. Metallic. Okay. Now look over here. For example, there was once a question in the CIE that you had to draw dot and cross model of lead chloride. Okay. A lot of students perceive that it is in group 4, so it is a non-metal. And they drew those, overlapping shells. All right. And they thought that it's a covalent. Okay. But over here is a metal. Okay. And it would pair up with chlorine, and chlorine would be the non-metal. Are you getting? Okay. Now look here. So now look very carefully. Okay, group 1 has 1 valence electron, 2 has 2, 3 has 3, 4 has 4 and all. Okay, group 1 will lose 1 valence electron, so it would be positive 1. 2 would lose 2, positive 2. 3 would lose 3, positive 3. 4th has a dubious nature. It can also lose 2 electrons, which is why, if you remember, this time in the assessment, I gave you one question, which was you had to write lead 2 nitrate. Remember, you had to write the formula for lead 2 nitrate. And a lot of students said that lead is in group 4. Okay, so they ignored this plus 2 and they wrote plus 4 over here. However, they had to understand that this Raman number is telling the valency of this one, and this is positive 2. Okay. It comes in group 4, but it is property of group 4 that it can also give you positive 2. Okay. So then overall it would be PbNO3 whole twice. Are you getting it? Okay. Group 8, their valence shell is already full. They cannot. This one. Sure. Dekho. What happens is, wait a minute. Let me see if I have, yeah, I have a source over here. No. Lead is basically, when I say lead 2 nitrate, okay. So basically what happens is that I have to look over here. Okay, what is the charge over here? So lead is Pb, and because it's 2 written over here, it would be 2 plus. Nitrate is NO3 negative 1. Okay, this 2 will go here, this one will go here. Pb, NO3 whole twice. Excellent. What happened in the paper? We have to write electronic configuration of these ions. Okay. Magnesium. What would be symbol of magnesium ion? Mg. 2 positive. Okay. Beryllium. Now let's write its electronic configuration. Magnesium is 12 and 24. Beta look. Magnesium, the neutral magnesium is 282. Okay. And magnesium ion when we write, okay. So that means we are doing 12, we write the proton number. Okay. And over here we have plus 2. So we will write minus 2. So over here it would be 10. And 10 would be what? 10 would be 28. Are you getting it? Because we subtracted 2 electrons. Because it's 2 plus. हाँ, आपको पता होना चाहिए ना कि देखो आपको पता होना चाहिए हाँ ऑपोजिट चार्ज कर दो हाँ और अगर आपको लेट्स से बिल्कुल भी कुछ भी ना लिखा हुआ देन यू हैव टू लुक एट द ग्रुप नंबर ठीक है हाँ ठीक है देखो मैग्नीशियम जो है वो ग्रुप 2 का है तो इसका मतलब इसके पास वैलेंसी क्या है 2 पॉजिटिव ठीक है अच्छा बेरिलियम का न्यूट्रल क्या है 4 था, याद है अभी अभी हम लोगों ने करा था बेरिलियम 4 and 9, है ना? हाँ, तो अगर ये 2 और 2 था और अगर ये बेरिलियम 2 पॉजिटिव है, so what we'll have is we'll have 4 minus 2. Okay, so it would be 2 on the, so we'll write an electronic configuration that it's 2. There's 2 for oxygen, please. Yes, boys, do it on your own. No, oxygen, oxygen. We have to write what is the formula first of all for the oxide ion, and then we have to write the electronic configuration. 2,6. What should I write over here? What should I write over here? So what? Two minus. Okay, and oxygen is 2,6. ठीक है? And oxygen नहीं ना 8 है ना 8. ठीक है? ठीक है? We'll do opposite now. We'll do opposite. ठीक है? Are you getting it? Let's do for calcium, please. See what? ठीक है? 20, 40. 20. 282, 2 is gone. So it is 288. Okay. Right.